Christmas. Welcome and welcome back to your channel, Ready Kid Foods, a channel of easy recipes, amazing recipes, breakfast ideas, and now festive recipes or delicacies. So, guys, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I hope you're enjoying yourself during this festive season. And guys, today I'm back with this recipe. I just want to make some special recipes, not really special, but I just want to make some tomato recipe. Tomato baked recipe, very nice. You can use it for breakfast. You can use it as snack. Very, very enjoyable. Kindly watch this video to the end and try it out, and you will love it. So thank you. Let's get to the video. These are the ingredients I have for my tomato baked recipe. I have 3 large tomatoes. I have all-purpose flour. I have my 4 eggs here. Depending on the number of people that you want to serve, and the number of pieces that you want to make. And here I have my diced red onions. I have some pieces of carrots. I have some diced nyama bites and some salt to taste. So kindly watch this video until the end. So guys, I will start by just slicing my tomatoes in cycle. So you do them this way. So these ones cannot work. So at least for one I've gotten some 4 pieces. I will do the same. So we are going to bake these tomatoes. So what we do, we are going to chop to remove the inner part. So that it remains this way. So I'll continue doing the rest the same way. So let's look at my tomatoes, so stay tuned. Look at my tomatoes after removing everything. This one is not going to be at a waste. We are going to use it. So make sure you crush them well, tiny. And in fact, these hard surfaces, you do away with the hard surface. We only need the soft surfaces only. As such, you remove such. We are going to add in these tomatoes inside and my onions, my carrots, and yellow bites. I'll put everything in here. Then mix well. Add my 4 eggs. With some salt to taste. Then give it a good mix. So guys, with some bits of all-purpose flour, just add 3 teaspoons. Mix well. And then guys, now we can bake our tomatoes. So kindly stay tuned, watch this until the end. I'm going to bake them in this air fryer. I'm going to bake them in here in the air fryer. And what I'll do, I'll just apply some lubricate this. Then I'll arrange my tomatoes in here. So at least 6 can fit in there. So guys, I'm just going to add in this mix in here. So you can use even oven, you can use air fryer as I'm doing, or you can even fry them using the pan. So guys, look at this. So this is what I'm going to bake, so come with me. So let me just set it. So guys, I'm going to do this for 15 minutes, so stay tuned as we cook. Guys, you can either use this style, shallow frying, or you bake the tomatoes. This recipe is very nice guys. So I'll just cover it and let it cook. 15 minutes are over. You can just look at this. You can look at this. So let me just serve it. Receipt. So guys, this is so nice. So stay tuned. So guys, look at my tomato. Yep. So this is so very nice guys. So you can use it as a snack. You can use it mostly for breakfast. So thank you so much for watching this. Please try it out. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye.